working on reverse engineering or malware analysis and need to continue a disassembly session? ILA Files preserve your IDA Pro analysis progress. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage these IDA Pro database files. Preventative action: I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the ILA format fails. More on this later. ILA files are database files, created by IDA Pro, the professional interactive disassembler and debugger, used for reverse engineering malware analysis and vulnerability research. They contain the complete analysis state, including disassembly listings, function definitions, type information, comments, cross-references, and user annotations for binary executables. IDA Pro ILA database files store the complete analysis database with disassembled code segments, defined functions and variables, type library references, user comments and annotations, cross-reference tables, and analysis plugin results. The format preserves all manual analysis work performed on the binary under investigation. The primary software for ILA is recognized as IDA Pro, developed by Hexray's SA. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows offers limited information, so the actual data must be opened in a database program. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your ILA file and select Open With. If IDA Pro is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the ILA file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focus tests on these common ILA failure areas. First, opening in IDA Pro. Launch IDA Pro and open the ILA database file using File, then Open. The complete analysis session restores with all disassembly annotations, functions, bookmarks, and cross-references. Continue analyzing the binary from where you left off with all previous work preserved in the database. Next, saving analysis progress. IDA Pro automatically saves analysis progress to the ILA database. Use File, then Save to force a save at critical analysis milestones. Enable autosave in IDA Pro settings to prevent losing analysis work during long reverse engineering sessions. The database grows as more analysis details and annotations are added. Finally, sharing analysis results. Export IDA Pro analysis findings to text files using File, then Produce File to generate ASM listing files, map files, or HTML reports. Share specific findings by exporting function definitions, type libraries, and IDC scripts. For collaborative analysis, share the ILA database file with team members who have compatible IDA Pro licenses. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.